Hey guys, we are working on Module 4, Lesson 7, the Problem and Solution Essay Dropbox. When you click this button, it'll tell you all about the assignment, and basically it'll say choose a problem topic from the graded assignment paper. Yes, this one right here. Okay, so then it says use whatever problem you choose with the graphic organizer. And make sure you also, obviously check your rubric to see that you're doing the right thing. So whenever you open up the assignment document, it'll tell you all the problems and then basically how your essay should be. All right, so let's look at these problems. You can choose one of these, all right? Cyberbullying, how can we prevent it? This might not seem like it's really relevant to you. You think, oh, I don't know about cyberbullying. I don't really, have a lot of involvement in that, or I'm too young for cyberbullying, whatever. But think about it. You're in online school. So anytime people are, rude or don't treat people with respect in the Class Connect sessions, then that is considered cyberbullying. So even in our online school environment, we need to know how to prevent this, okay? So it is a relevant topic for even you. How can we make education better for kids who have trouble in school? So maybe you have had teachers in your past or other students that you might have learned from in school that maybe have helped you with things, or maybe you have siblings that have had trouble in school and you've seen how maybe they've had help, or how they would need to have help if they could have it. So just share whatever ideas maybe you have there. Then the last one is, how can teenagers be convinced to drive more safely? So I think this is probably something we've all kind of joked about, probably with teenagers in our families or something like that, about how they are crazy drivers. So maybe let's think about ideas that would maybe help teenagers maybe be convinced to drive better. So just pick one of those topics and kind of give us your solution for it, okay? So basically in your essay, you're going to use one of those problems from above and do a 4 to 5 paragraph essay. So remember, you'll have your introduction, 2 to 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion paragraph. So that's how you get the 4 to 5 paragraphs, because you keep it all separate. You do intro, couple of topics in the middle, maybe you can kind of give us 1 or 2 solutions in the body paragraphs and then summarize it all in your conclusion. So in your essay, explain how you would solve the problem based on your own knowledge and experiences. You don't have to Google anything. Please don't use information from other websites or anything, okay? Just use your knowledge and just whatever you think, okay? Review the rubric before you begin. We'll look at it in a second. And use the graphic organizer. And when you're finished, take time to revise, check for clarity, and maybe spelling mistakes and stuff. So once you have a topic, this is the graphic organizer. You can kind of write a thesis, which is basically where you tell us your topic and maybe your one or two solutions in that one sentence, okay? That's what a thesis is, when you tell us your topic and kind of like your details all into one summarized sentence, okay? So put that up here. And then your subtopics or your specific details could be maybe your solutions to the problem. So maybe you have a few ideas on solutions, okay? So put those in the top part. Then give us ways maybe you could do those ideas, okay? And then your conclusion, that's basically where you just summarize everything. You can even put your thesis back in right here, stuff like that, okay? So that's kind of how you use your graphic organizer, and that's an easy way to get your 5 paragraphs in. Just use each block as separate topics for separate paragraphs. So you could have paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, paragraph 5. Easy peasy. All right, rubric, where'd you go? There we go. All right, so just remember, look at the exemplary part for sure. Check out the thesis and the claims. Read that paragraph, and then the argument and your evidence, your organization, and then your mechanics and stuff like that. So if you just follow this column right here, that should help you get those 50 points, okay? All right. You don't need to see my screen, do you? All right, good luck, guys.